Good morning, students. Let us learn lesson number 1, the Rajput age, new rulers and state. Let us start the video. The rulers of Gujarat have significant place in Rajput era. Gujar was a kingdom of Pratiharas in 8th century. Around the middle of the 8th century, Vanraj Chavda founded Ahilwad Patan on the bank of river Saraswati in 756 AD. This Saraswati river is known as inland river. There are 3 inland rivers in Gujarat: Saraswati, Banas and Rupain. They are called inland rivers because they drain in small run of Kutch. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि अहिलवाड़ भरवाड़ was his childhood friend and he named after his town Ahilwad Patan. At that time, Saurashtra and Kutch were ruled by Chavda dynasty. This Chavda dynasty included Vadwan, Div, Okhamandal or Patgat, Okhamandal, Patgat or Lakpat, Bhadravati or Kutch, etc. Among all these rulers, the rule of Solanki dynasty considered to be the golden age of Rajput regime. Why it is so? Because Gujarat prosperous, it progressed a lot in all the aspects, in all the fields: art, architecture, literature, education. It progressed a lot economically and culturally. That is why it is known as the golden period of history in Gujarat. Now, when we are talking about the Rajput era, we must remember these powerful queens and queens. The kings are Mulraj, Bhimdev I, Siddharth Jaisi, Kumarpal and Bhimdev II. These two notable queens, Udaymati and Meenal Devi. Udaymati, she was a daughter of the ruler of Junagadh, Ra Kengar, was married to Bhimdev I Solanki. रानी उदयमती ने एक फेमस स्टेपवेल बनवाई थी. इट वॉज अ 7-storied स्टेपवेल. इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन पाटन and it has been given status, it has been declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Now this stepwell was built for the welfare of the people. I am going to show you the picture of this stepwell. Student, this is a picture of the stepwell रानी की वाव एट पाटन. अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने जो खुशबू गुजरात की एड बनाई थी उसके अंदर भी ये स्टेपवेल दिखाई गई है. Now next queen is Queen Meenal Devi or Malayan Devi. She was an ideal queen mother, Rajmata. She did lot of things to give justice to people, and it was her decision to stop pilgrim tax at Somnath as well as constructed Malav Lake in Dholka. पिलग्रिम प्लेस सोमनाथ एक यात्रा धाम है और वहाँ जाने के लिए लोगों को टैक्स देना पड़ता था, बट जो पुअर पीपल थे, साधुस थे, दे कुडंट पे द टैक्स एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे कुडंट विजिट द पिलग्रिमेज प्लेस. And she did not want her subjects to suffer like this, and that is why she waived off the pilgrim tax at Somnath. Now during the reign of Siddharth Jaisi, Kalika Sarvagna Hemchandracharya ji composed a grammar book named Siddhahem Sabdanushasana. Kalika Sarvagna, the knower of knowledge of all the time. Hemchandracharya ji was a scholar, Jain scholar, and he wrote a book on grammar, Siddhahem Sabdanushasana. When the procession of the scripture was carried out on an elephant in the town, the king of Patan walked along with the people. इस बुक को रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए द प्रोसेशन वॉज कैरिड आउट एंड कुमार एंड सिद्धार्थ जैसी एंड द कंपोजर ऑफ द बुक हेमचंद्राचार्य जी वॉकड along with the people. Kumarpal also worked for the public welfare. He was highly influenced by Acharya Hemchandracharya ji. Hemchandracharya ji was a follower of Jainism and he was believing in complete non-violence. So Kumarpal also banned gambling, animal slaughter in the state, and he instructed for strict instruction were given for the non-violence. Hemchandracharya ji has enhanced the prestige of king by writing book Kumarpal Charita. This book shows the dignity of and prestige of King Kumarpal. Ajaypal, the ruler of Patan after Kumarpal, after reign of about 4 years, his son Mulraj too became the ruler of Gujarat. and Mulraj II defeated Shahabuddin Ghori with the help of Kalhan and his brother Kirtipal from the Chahman dynasty. Now, जैसे ही सोलंकीज वीक हुए, वागेलास केम टू द थ्रोन. वागेलास बिकेम पावरफुल. वागेलास वेर लॉयल नोबल्स ऑफ द सोलंकी किंग्स. वागेलास जो थे वो उनके वफादार सरदार थे. सोलंकी किंग्स गेव अ विलेज नेम व्याघ्रपल्ली और वागेल टू अर्नोज एंड रिटर्न ऑफ देयर सर्विसेज. सोलंकी किंग्स ने उनको व्याघ्रपल्ली या वागेल जो गांव था वो उनको उनकी सर्विसेज के एवज में दिया था. His descendants were called Vaghela after the name of the village. Originally, they too were the Chalukya clans. Now, rulers like Veer Dhaval, Vishal Dev, Arjan Dev, Sarang Dev of Vaghela dynasty ruled well in Gujarat. These are the powerful, notable kings of this dynasty. Now, during the reign of Veer Dhaval, Gujarat had efficient and skilled ministers like Vastupal and Tejpal. वीर धवल के किंगडम में वीर धवल के पास वस्तुपाल एंड तेजपाल नाम के दो पावरफुल मंत्री थे, राइट. And because of the prophecy of this minister, Gujarat could face the battle against the Muslims. Vastupal and Tejpal built a Jain temple in Delwada in Mount Abu, Rajasthan, in which marble pillars, arcs, domes, balconies, etc. were engraved minutely by skilled artists. Vastupal constructed Jain temple at Ginnar, Palitana, Dabhoi of Gujarat, etc. I am going to show you the picture of Delwada temple at Mount Abu. It's very beautiful, minute carving on the stone. Students, stone carving is very difficult, but it is a brilliant example of this or the skills of the architecture, art and the engineering skill you will see in this picture. See student, this is a picture of Delwada Mount Abu. स्टोन्स के ऊपर इतना माइन्यूट कार्विंग किया गया है, यू कैन सी इट. करण देव वाघेला वॉज द लास्ट रूलर ऑफ वाघेला डायनेस्टी और उनके टाइम के दौरान ही मुस्लिम दिल्ली सल्तनत एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन गुजरात. नाउ बंगाल वॉज रूल्ड बाय पाला डायनेस्टी इन द मिडल ऑफ 8th century. The dynasty was called Pal Vansh of Bengal since the word Pal came after the name of the founder of the dynasty and his descendants. Pal Vansh था वो first king of this dynasty was Gopal और उनके नाम के पीछे जब पाल लगता था उसी के अकॉर्डिंग इस डायनेस्टी को पाल वंश कहा गया. This dynasty was founded by the king named Gopal in 750 AD to 770 AD. After the downfall of Pal dynasty, Sen dynasty was founded in 1095 AD. Vijay Sen was the first eminent king of this dynasty. His son Ballal Sen composed Dan Sagar and Adbut Sagar text. Now, after conquering Gujarat from Karan Dev Waghela, Sultan of Delhi appointed Nazim or Subaz. These governors carried out administration of the state. In 1407 AD, Zafar Khan changed his name to Muzaffar Shah and became the Sultan. Now, during the Sultanate era or Delhi Sultanate, there were 14 sultans in this dynasty, included sultans like Ahmad Shah, Muhammad Bigra. These are important notable kings of the Sultanate era. Bahadur Shah. Now, when at the end of the 16th century, Delhi Sultanate came to downfall, and that was the beginning of the Mughal rule in Gujarat. Now, the states of South India. Now, before we start, I just give you the information that Ahilwad Patan was established by Vanraj Chamda and Ahmad Shah established Ahmedabad. अहमद ने जो आबाद किया है, राइट, अहमदाबाद, ऐसा कहा जाता है जब कुत्ते पर ससा आया, बादशाह ने शहर बसाया. States of South India. Before I start this, I am going to show you old map of India during the medieval period, during the Rajput era. So you will identify the places easily. See students, this is a map of India during Rajput age. Here you can see the place Badami, Tanjore, Ahilwad Patan, Malwa, right, Shakambari, Kalyan. The Chalukya of this Kalyan are known as Kalyani Chalukyas. I am going to explain that as well. See students, in this map you can see the name of these dynasties ruled these areas: Palas, Cholas, Pandyas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Gurjar Pratihars. These are the regions ruled by the Cholas and Cheras and Chalukyas and Pallavas. Student, this place is known as a Vengi region. See, the states located in the south of river Narmada are called southern states. In this region, the dynasties like Chalukya, Rashtrakutas, Pallavas, Cholas, Pandyas and Cheras ruled. The first king of Chalukya dynasty was the King Jaisi. In 540 AD, Vatapi was made the capital and separate independent state was established by Pulkeshi I. This dynasty is known as Chalukya of Vatapi, at present day Badami. In this dynasty, there were important rulers like Kirtivarman, Pulkeshi I and Pulkeshi II. When the power of Vatapi Chalukya weakened after the death of the Pulkeshi II, similarly in the northern region after the death of the Harshvardhana, his vast kingdom was divided into small states. Same in the South India after the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast kingdom was divided into small independent states. When the power of Vatapi Chalukya weakened, one of their branch was established in the region between Krishna and Godavari rivers. This branch was established by Vishnuvardhan. As this Chalukya rule of the east made Vengi their capital, they are known as Vengi Chalukyas. ये जो चालुक्य की ब्रांच है वो वेंगी रीजन्स को रूल करती थी एंड दे मेड दैट कैपिटल Vengi. That is why it is known as the Vengi Chalukyas. Like Vatapi and Vengi, Kalyan also had one of the branch of Chalukya dynasty. Now this Chalukyas known as Chalukyas of Kalyan. Now this Chalukya dynasty, here you can see there are three branches. One is Chalukyas of Vatapi, Chalukyas of Vengi and the Chalukyas of Kalyan. Now this Kalyan is place located at Karnataka. At present it is known as Basva Kalyan. The power of the Rashtrakuta dynasty rose when the Chalukya dynasty declined in the south. जब चालुक्य डायनेस्टी वीक हो गई तो राष्ट्रकूटास became powerful. Indravarman is considered to be the first king of this dynasty and Govind III was the most powerful ruler of Rashtrakuta dynasty.